everyone, welcome to artdesigns.com. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add an FAQ section to your website and an About Us section to your website. So let's get started. So right now we are in the Shopify dashboard. You will be led here when you log into your Shopify account. We're going to go and head down to Online Store. And from there, it'll go to themes. So this is where you can basically just customize your website. We're going to go ahead and hit customize. And this is just a preset theme here. So I already added the FAQ section here. This is how it's going to look. So we're going to duplicate that. Or not duplicate it, but we're going to try to mirror this. So what you want to do is first add a section. And to add a section, you either see this plus between the sections where you can add, or you can just head down to right here at the bottom of the little like the editor you have on the side, and you can just add a section. And we're gonna go ahead and add collapsible content. So once you add collapsible content, this is it. We're gonna go ahead and select this section, and we're gonna change the heading to FAQ or anything you want, really. This just doesn't have to be an FAQ section. We're gonna go ahead and select our first collapsible row, and we're gonna change the heading. Now this is where you guys are gonna put your questions. So I'm just gonna put an example, I don't know, example question, yes. Okay. And then you will either select if you want a check mark. They have a whole lot of options here, but for this one, I'm just gonna do a question mark. And then for row content, this is where your answer will be. So yeah, just fill in your answer there. And then we're gonna select a page. Now this is optional. I'm not gonna select the page. Actually, I'm just gonna show you guys. You can select a page or a link. This is basically where your question is gonna go to. So you can do that as well. So now we're gonna do that to the rest of them. And I do want to change the color of this section, or this container. So we're gonna click the container, and we're just gonna head to color scheme, and we're gonna change this. This is gonna be based on the colors we have set in themes. So I'm just gonna change it to this, nice and simple, and then you just want to save. Okay, so now that we have a FAQ section and you guys know how to do that, we're going to go ahead and add about a section. And you want to basically do the same thing, add a section. And then we're going to add a block. You can either do image with text, which is just going to be the side by side, kind of the image, and then a text on the side. Or you can do the image banner, which would be basically a text on top of an image. Today, we're going to do image with text. So there you have it. This is where you can upload either a photo of you or maybe your logo. And then here you can add your title. And you could change it. I'm just going to select About Us. And maybe you want to italic that, then you could. I think I am. And you can change the size. They have all different sizes. I'm going to do large. And then, of course, you can add your text or your brand message here. To upload a photo, just select the photo. Select this little image box, and then you want to select image. Maybe you want to add a photo here. Yeah, we're just going to add that. And then you just want to hit save. Oh, and then, of course, for the button label, all you have to do is paste the link here. You can either paste a custom link or you can hook it to a product. Just for now, we're going to hook it to a collection. Skincare. And then you can change it to learn more, maybe. And just like that. So now you guys know how to add an About Us section and an FAQ section. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials. And I will see you next time.